Hey guys, this is Maria from CanXida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is, can you recommend what to look for in a probiotic? Probiotics are an important part of your gut microbiome. Lactobacillus help prevent pathogens from colonizing the gut, including the release of antimicrobials in response to invaders. They also break down fiber and phytonutrients in food, which have beneficial effects for your health. Lactobacillus even helps to feed other good bacteria in your gut, such as Bifidobacterium. There are many different species of Lactobacillus, such as L. plantarum, which is thought to help with IBS, while L. acidophilus produces acidophilin to inhibit bacterial growth. L. rhamnosus decreases gut inflammation through the release of short-chain fatty acids. Bifidobacteria are another class of bacteria which have many benefits, including supporting gut immunity, maintaining the gut barrier, lowering cholesterol, and helping conditions like eczema and IBS. A high-quality probiotic is essential to restore diversity and bring back balance to your gut. In general, look for one with both Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, with a large number of strains, and with a high amount of colony-forming units. CanXida Restore has 6 probiotic strains, including Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, formulated without prebiotics which can feed the wrong bacteria. Additionally, it has 7 digestive enzymes to improve digestion, allow the breakdown and absorption of nutrients, as well as reducing digestive symptoms. We hope this answers your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@canxida.com and we will get back to you. At CanXida, your health is important to us.